Okay, guys, at another event here in the downtown LA area. This is a check engine light event put together by Toyo. And not only are some amazing vehicles here that are shod in Toyo rubber, but there's an art exhibit that we're going to see in a moment that is unlike anything we've ever seen. So why don't we take a look down here and see what's going on? Thank you, Patat Jo. Appreciate you. Nice career there. I'm going to switch hands and give it a little bit more stability here. There we go. All right. Nice drop-top Benz. AMG. This is a very interesting vet right here with side pipes. Love it, love it. Hola from Brazil, Ivan do Correa. That's how you say it properly. Queso Fresco, good seeing you. Thank you so much for joining my live this wonderful afternoon in downtown LA. Got a little Rivian action going on here as well. Jeep. I don't think the U-Haul truck is part of the show, but let's pan around, get around this Sahara Wrangler. Some more Rivian love, BMWs, Lexus. And so guys, this is in downtown LA. Very nice event. I believe it is free of charge. There's some nice, how should I say, automobiles, music, and potential cuisine here as well. Australia's in the house, courtesy of WR444P. Thank you so much for joining. And in a second, we're going to explore that nice exhibit I was talking about. Of course, I love Dion's little K car here. Drove the Moby, which is right there. So penny over here, some more classic 911 love. Another nice classic right there. Slammed Lexus. Another one right next to it. Some G-Wagon, Ruby Stone Red Porsche. Electric Hyundai. Some more 911 love. And it keeps going on and on and on. But let's go into the exhibit so we can take a look and see what's going on. See you in a bit, LA Photographer Society. See you indeed. So here is the exhibit. Check engine light, as you can see. You can go in here, take a look. And that's the gentleman of the hour. He is the amazing artist that put this together. And here is exhibit. Guys, I know this looks very peculiar. It doesn't even look real. But this is real. An amazing exhibit. And you see these wheels right here? I'm going to show you guys something real quick. I'll show you something. Hang tight. This actually turns. It's all part of the exhibit. Nice Civic. Old school Benz. Guys, it's weird. This is actually real. It's real. It's not... It looks crazy, but it's just absolutely amazing. Looks like an AHA video, right? Panning over here. All these wheels tend to spin. Part of the exhibit. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I know, it feels like in a comic, doesn't it? So that's it. I'm gonna pan around here so you can get a nice view of what's going on. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we're gonna pan out and head on outside. Now, there's a place next door that is next to this Rolling Greens facility. And there are some very nice cars there. There's this OBD2 device. Very clean, man. I love those tri-spoke wheels. There's an OBD2 device that is being launched here that gives you diagnostics and AI combined, which is pretty cool. So hang tight. I'll show you guys around and show you what's going on. This Maybach right here is a little bit of a insight to what lurks within. And here it is. Very nice venue. Lots of exotics. It is dope. Thank you, Arola gentlemen. Appreciate that. This is KB's Ford GT. It's quite amazing. And switching over here is another one as well. Let's go to the rear and take a look at some more automobiles, some more automotive masterpieces. Nice McLaren right there. Pan over here to a Raging Bull. Another McLaren right there as well. Right here in the corner is a Porsche. We'll go right here through this amazing hallway, which I'm sure this looks absolutely spectacular at night. Let's make our way up here. Bear with me, guys. This is definitely worth it. Last night there was an event here. Exhibit was here. Wiz Khalifa, quite a few celebs. And here's the space. I agree with you, Anton Morris. The car community is absolutely spectacular. So here's a Urus. There are people coming out from displays right there, which is pretty nice. So this is the Spark AI experience that allows you to integrate OBD and AI in one. Head back down. Thank you so much, Dennis. Appreciate that. So the only other place I haven't been is across the hall here. Digging those wheels there. It will be launching, this OBD AI interface will be launching next month. It will be retailing for $499. Plugs in and gives you real-time AI data on your vehicle. And this is their display space. So some nice specimens here. Loving that black Porsche over there. Pretty nice. Oh, you like the M3 GTR? Nice. Yeah, that thing sounds sick too. Some nice Fast and Furious movie vehicles. Who do you think got Brian O'Connor to stop granny shifting? And look at this. Crazy, right? I'm telling you, LA car culture is absolutely spectacular. And over here, more movie cars. Gotta love LA. Look at this beautiful Lambo. Something that Bruce Wayne would love. And that's it. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me here. And if you're in the greater LA area, look up the check engine event and come on down. Yep, shout out to Energy Suspension for the bushings on the orange Supra. It's in downtown LA. The exact address, I believe, is 1212. I need to put it up where it is. Probably when I'm done with this, I'll post where it is, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. You're good, sir. You're good. You're good. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Cheers.